Hey everyone, how's everybody doing today? I just wanted to do a quick little video for those of you that may not know. So I had to do a little shift lever adjustment on my bike, and I started off, if you can see, by pulling this bolt out, pulling this off, rotating it down, and that just put it down way too much. So I pulled it back up, set it there. But just so everyone knows, there is another adjustment, and you can do it with this little linkage right here. And what I done was I pulled this bolt out right here, I loosened this nut up, and I rotated this a half turn to make it longer. What that done was that actually pushed this down just a little bit. I put my bolt back in it, tighten my jam nut back up, and that is what I done to be able to adjust my shift lever down just enough that now it actually fits me the way it's supposed to. I was actually having to lift my foot off the peg and push down on it to downshift. So that's what I done. For those of you that may not know, and this is the 2022 Lowrider S, so with the Saddleman seat on it. So I will come around this side, try to get out of it so everyone can see. But that's the picture of it. So I'm out here in this big parking lot, and I'm gonna be working on some of my slow speed maneuvers. Hope y'all have a good day.